NC500, here we come. Scottish Highlands. God, this is bouncy as fuck. Yes, been planning this trip for a long time. Got a Nicky boy in the MR2 behind. Got Ben waiting at the petrol station with Mark. Got Ben behind, Jamie behind as well. So we've got 3 bikes, 2 cars.
Hey, you're on camera.
Yeah. Jamie's buddy Ben, well, our friend Ben, but they're best buddies. His buddy's over here, so he's got to join his buddy. He looks the part as well. What a fucking tosser. I love winding him up, it's funny. See ya. So, YouTube, welcome to my channel. You join me now in my EG V18 Turbo, and we're on the way up to Scotland to do the Nc500. So yeah, so I've done a few more videos, but nothing special. I'm just trying to do this YouTube shit. I'm not very good at it, to be fair. I don't get it, but so we're still on the M6. It took us about 2 hours to do 97 miles. It's because we were chatting, having coffee and whatnot, and then Ben wanted to see how far we could go on the Harley before it ran out of fuel. So we pulled into a hard shoulder, about 10 minutes, and I was a bit like, oh, we're going to get stopped in a minute, well, the police are going to come and talk to us. Look in the rear view mirror, what pulls in? Cop car. So he gets out of the car and he's like, what have you stopped for, lads? My mate ran out of fuel. Just putting some fuel in his bike. No problem, lads, get on with it. Don't want you hanging around here, you're not supposed to stop. Copper was sound as fuck. You know, they're the sort of coppers that you need. So just got to near Loch Lomond on the A82, just pulled over, I lost the guys ages ago because they stopped and I just carried on going, which I didn't know they'd pulled over. So I carried on going. Now I'm in a lay-by trying to share my location with Nicky boy, but for some reason it won't share it. So, but he shared his with me, but mine won't work with him, and he's 4.4 mile away. Which really is not that far, but because of where I'm parked, they're not going to see me if they come past, so better ring him up, hadn't I? Yo!
Yo. What
you saying, man? Have you set off again yet?
No, just come down and take a quick couple of pictures down here, mate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
what flew off the car?
Yeah.
It nearly hit you in the head. Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
My wind deflector! Fuck's sake! See what flew off the car?
Yeah.
Nearly hit you in the head.
What was it?
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
My wind deflector! Fuck's sake!
Watch that third gear, mate. It's a fucking howler. I swear to God, you think it's gone and then you pull the throttle back and it just goes.
I've just nearly stacked it down there.
It comes up quick, doesn't it?
I had to stop in the middle of the roundabout.
So we're in Glencoe now. I haven't really done that much vlogging, to be honest, because it's just been mental. We ain't really stopped. We've just been doing a lot of driving. When we get out, we grab food, then we're back in the car, and there's not really much to say because but yeah, it's been a great trip. We're back in Glencoe now, and we're just on the way back home. I've got a lot of footage, a lot of photos, which I'm going to try and string together. I thought all these guys were coming out, but they're all stood over there. Oh. Yeah, so he's just spent some money on his daughter now, 50 quid. I don't know whether you heard that, for a dress, but he promised her, so he's got to put his hand in his pocket, ain't he? I didn't spend that much. I got my daughter a little bear. There's not really a lot to get them, to be honest, and she don't really wear dresses. She likes little toys, so she can have a little Scotty. So yeah.